Hi, it's Deandra with Vive Health, and today I'll take you through the setup for the Vive inner ear hearing amp. Familiarize yourself with the following components of your inner ear hearing amplifier: the amplifier unit, the home button, the ear cap, the charging dock, the charging contacts, and the charging port. To charge the Vive inner ear hearing amplifier, fit the amplifier unit into the charging dock, making sure that the small arrow is facing up and pointing toward the charging indicator. Close the charging dock and insert the charging cable into the port on the back of the dock. The charging indicator will illuminate either red or green. If it's red, your hearing amplifier is charging. The charging process takes up to 2 hours. If the charging indicator stayed green when you close the top of the charging dock, then the hearing amplifier is not properly positioned in the dock and is not charging. Open the window again and adjust the position of the amplifier, making sure that the small arrow is facing up and pointing toward the charging indicator and that the charging contacts are touching the prongs in the dock. Close the top again and check the indicator to make sure that it is red. To power on the inner ear hearing amp, press and hold the home button on the amplifier unit for 3 seconds. Once the device is powered on, click the home button to cycle through the 6 volume settings to find the right volume for you. If the device is fitted into your ear, you'll hear a faint beep sound with every click of the home button. Fit the hearing amp into the desired ear and make sure that there's a tight fit to prevent the device from squeaking. To change the ear cap on the inner ear hearing amp, first make sure that the device is powered off. Once the device is powered off, peel the old ear cap off the narrow end of the hearing amp. To put on the new cap, fit the wide end of the silicone tip over the open end of the hearing amp. Press the cap down to ensure a secure fit before fitting the amp into your ear. I hope you guys liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos.